Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today we have an exciting video and I'm gonna be using all Japan beauty products from Yesstyle.com. And if you want to know what are these products, then keep on watching. Yep, so I'm excited for this video because I really do love Japan products, and they have this reputation with me where all of their products do really work on my skin. Like majority of their products does really work. And I can remember when I used to shop from Japan, when I visited Japan way back 2018, I went ham on these beauty products. Like, of course, I'm also a fan of Sailor Moon, so I did buy a bunch of beauty products there, mascaras, and they're really known to have waterproof eyeliners and waterproof mascaras, because most of the time they only do wear like light makeup for work, and they just want to use like mascara. So they're really good. They do really have a good formulation of mascaras and as well as eyeliner. So right now I ordered a bunch of products from Yesstyle.com, and Yesstyle.com is where I usually do buy Asian products from Japan and from Korea, like my beauty and skincare products. And yeah, and if you want to order from Yesstyle.com, you can use my rewards code Daphne24. I'll put all the links down below, of course, so you can get these products at a discount. And yeah, let's start with my makeup. Okay, so first, of course, we need a makeup base. So we have this Can Make Tokyo. It says here Can Make Tokyo. Yep, so this is a makeup base. One good thing about this one is it is already a makeup base. At the same time, it already has SPF 50. Yeah, so I got the shade 01, and it's just translucent. There's another shade but I forgot. And so they said to put like 2 fingers of sunscreen. It smells good though. It smells good. So let's try that. And then yeah, it has a very thin formula. So let's try this. Just gonna apply it all over. Got my mirror here. Because most of the sunscreens that I try, they always give off like a white cast, and I don't like it. Yeah, but this one, it doesn't alter my skin. Make sure to press in, just so we're sure that we're protected. Our skin is protected from the rays, from the harmful rays of the sun. And yeah, well, it's very lightweight. It's absorbed by my skin very easily. But I can still feel a little bit sticky, but it's not annoying. It's one of the most popular brands in Tokyo. Not sure, but yeah. So this is already our makeup base, and I'll just do my foundation, my brows, and I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished my foundation, and we have DHC lip cream, and this is just a lip balm. And let's just moisturize my lips before I start on anything. This is the lip cream. So it's just a lip balm, so let's just moisturize my lips, because as you can tell, it's freaking dry. It doesn't smell anything. And I know DHC has, good beauty products, so this is another brand that I trust from Japan. Well, most of them I really trust. Yep, so now our lips are prepped. Let's move on to our cream product. So this is so cute. It's just a little, lip and cheek tint. It's also from Can Make. Yep, so it says here cheek gel. It's really small, so you can use it for your lips and also for your cheeks. So this is shade 07, and let me just swatch this. It's very creamy. Yep, it's very transparent, and here's the shade. It's just a subtle purpley pink color. So yeah, you can barely see it, but we'll see how it applies on the face. So I'm not really a fan of like cream products, but I'll try my best to apply this. Oh, and there's also a little mirror. Like, you can bring this everywhere for travel. Let's just try to apply it on our cheeks. So so far it's not lifting the foundation.
There, you can now see the color. Yeah, it's blending out really well. It gives
like a white, it gives like a film or something. It highlights my texture. Oh, got a little. There, let's try to apply on the other side of my face. Can you tell that like it leaves like a film or something? Yeah, because it's sort of like a gel type. And then now let's try to apply it on the lips. Just like the natural type of makeup that I'm expecting. So yep, that is it for this little guy, the Can Make lip and cheek tint, and I'm just gonna set all of my face and we'll move on to the eyes. So I already done my foundation, set my makeup. Now we have another product. It's a brow mascara. So for my brows I did use the Yesstyle, this one. It's yeah, Yesstyle eyebrow pencil. I also purchased it. And Yesstyle eyebrow pencil, I also did purchase this when I was in Japan. So brows, it's actually, yeah, it's shade brown, the number 3. Like this one is also popular. And yeah, that's what I use with my brown. And I need to set it with a brow mascara so that, you know, the color just blends out and my brows are gonna stay in place. Light brown brow mascara so that my brows will set in place. So let's try that. Yeah, so that it will blend on the color of my hair. Yeah, so as you can tell, it already deposited product. So yeah, I like using a lighter color of brow mascara so that it just blend it out. It's not like a dark, you know, line. It's not gonna come out like light. I feel like this looks more natural and it's gonna blend on the color of my hair because my hair is dyed brown right now. So yeah. And yeah, so far this is good. And now let's move on to the eyeshadow. Next is the eyeshadow, and what I have here is also from Can Make. This is in shade Strawberry Milk Mocha. So there are actually like 12 different, you know, shades of this eyeshadow palette, and it's also from the brand Can Make, and it's so cute. It's freaking cute. It's also really small. Like this is the lip and cheek tint, and this is the eyeshadow. They're so cute. They're so tiny, so you can travel with them easily. So it also has a little mirror, and here are the shades. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. They also do have instructions at the back. It's legit a Japanese product because, as you can tell, it's all in Japanese characters. Are the eyeshadow shades. So this is from the lightest to darkest. So this one is the one in the middle. It's just a sparkly topper. Then next is just a white, literally white satin base, and then these are the other 3 deeper colors. I guess we'll just do a simple smoky eye. So I'm going to be applying this shade outermost corner of my eye. Apply the lightest shade in this palette into just the inner lids. Just a simple smoky eye. Try the darker shade. This one in the outer corners as well, but very just near the lash line. there. So far that is our eyeshadow, so I'll be back with a complete look. Alright guys, I'm almost done. So what I did on the under or my under eyes is I just applied this two color, mixed them, and yeah, just apply it under the lash line, same as this, and then we're gonna apply the lightest shade into the inner corners there. And you know, Japanese were known to, like, you know, apply a little shiny or shimmering shadow on the inner of the eyes to make you look awake. So yeah, so far this is the best that we can do. Or when it comes to eyeshadows, they're not really, you know, the type to make extra pigmented eyeshadows. They're known to just use it for natural makeup look, so I don't really expect that much with eyeshadows. It's just a light shade, you know, a little bit dark on the other corners, and that's it. That's really is it on the look. So yep, so I'll finish the rest of my face and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so that is it for my full face of J Beauty products, and yeah, okay, that's my eyes. I just applied like natural eyelashes, and yeah, we just have this like simple, you know, glowy look going on. So yeah, so all of these products you can find it at Yesstyle.com, and you can use my rewards code Daphne24 for a discount. So far I love the products, yeah, except the eyeshadow, of course, because I'm not used to not so pigmented eyeshadow. But you know, if you're looking for a natural look, then yes, this is okay. But you know, the other products, they work so well. This brow mascara, I like it. I like the wand. And then of course this makeup base, I'll continue to use this because it already has SPF 50. So this is, you know, a really good product. It doesn't give me a white cast. And this one is just, you know, good for like a quick touch-ups when you're traveling, if you want to just, you know, make your lips plump and juicy. And of course you have to always have your lip balms. So I hope you did enjoy my video guys. This is the look that I've created for today for using all J Beauty products. And don't worry guys, I'll be making another video of all Korean products because I've been hoarding a lot of like Korean skincare and makeup products. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Please do like this video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Have a good one.